Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play I Spoke to the Devil in Miami on piano using an easy method. First, let's identify the four core chords: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. These are the building blocks for the entire song. We'll focus on a simple, repetitive progression, playing each chord for 4 beats. Your left hand will handle the root notes, while your right hand plays the full chord shapes. This approach makes it accessible for beginners. Now, let's simplify the right-hand melody. Instead of complex runs, we'll pick out the most prominent melody notes that fit perfectly over our 4-chord progression. Practice playing these melody notes with your right hand while your left hand continues with the root notes of the chords. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure each note is clear and well-timed. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence and muscle memory. For the left hand, we'll keep it straightforward by playing single root notes for each chord. This provides a solid foundation without overwhelming you. For E minor, play E. For C major, play C. For G major, play G. And for D major, play D. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm, perhaps playing each root note for 4 beats. Coordinating both hands is key, so practice slowly, ensuring your left hand bass line supports your right hand melody effectively. To master this song, practice each hand independently first. Get comfortable with the chord progression in your left hand and the simplified melody in your right. Then, slowly bring them together. A metronome is your best friend here. Start at a slow tempo, around 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it as you feel more confident. With consistent practice, you'll be playing I Spoke to the Devil in Miami smoothly and expressively in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.